I'm vlogging.
Vloggity vlog.
Vloggity vlog.
All right. So nurses wear these. Okay, not
Uniform. It's the name of a show, a medical show.
Yes.
Yeah. No.
You can't tell me that.
Passed again.
Oh, sorry.
What?
Oh, Lord Jesus.
Pass.
Pass.
Down the pass, right?
Oh, up and
Up is pass. Okay, so city in Illinois.
Marshmallow.
Okay, we marshmallow, huh?
Marshmallow. You got the bag.
Okay, we were doing, well, there's some small ones over there too. So now we are doing marshmallows. At this point, everybody is roasting their marshmallows. I see you, baby. I see you over there.
You better cut this music out.
I don't hear anything at the moment, and that's probably the best, because if it's something inappropriate, you guys know how to handle it. I'm not going to play that music, D. You know I already would get in trouble for that. What I'm going to do is silence. Oh, honey, it's going to be burnt as a crisp.
Oh, burnt.
Well, you're just supposed to melt it, not burn it. Because then when you get ready to eat it, it might not be so tasty. It's going to taste burnt, you know? I was trying to get to doing the can.